Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If my voice is echoing, please permit me. I am in the kitchen. I just decided to make a video to let you guys in on my meal prep. Okay, so today I'm going to meal prep. Now, electricity has been a hassle recently. I don't know if it is because of the weather, because of the rain. Um, but yeah, it became stable I think today, and so I want to take advantage and make a couple of meals. Now if you watched my previous vlog, you know that Nigeria is going through a lot. My country is going through a lot, and so eating out as someone who works remote is not or is no longer feasible for me. So I'm just going to show you how I am managing myself in this economy. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome or welcome back. Okay, welcome. My name is Amarachi and I am an Abuja based YouTuber. Let me show you guys what I got. I spent I think around 10,000 naira to get these items. Let's take a look at them.
Right, so this is pumpkin leaves or ugu. I got that one for 1,000 naira, and then I have half a crate of eggs here. This I got for 2,200 thereabout. I'm trying to infuse more protein into my diet. And then I bought egusi. This egusi I got is 800 naira. You can buy your egusi either grounded or not. I forgot to add ekpei. If you're somebody who likes egusi, please do add ekpei, add crayfish. It gives the egusi a lovely taste when you finish.
Onions as well. Okay, I got onions. I've already put that in the store. Let me show you the fish that I got. So the fish I'm going to use to make both my egusi soup and my vegetable sauce. This is my fish. I got two Titus fishes. I'm going to use one to make the vegetable sauce and the other for soup. Meat is expensive. Meat is expensive, so yeah. Let's start cooking. Hopefully, as I am cooking, they bring the light and then I can blast some music. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, here I have my fish. I have salt. I have diced onions and Cameroon pepper. I am about to add my Maggi. I like the Maggi original. Oh yes, they just brought the light. So I just want to put this, and once I put this, right, then I'll put it on the fire, and I want us to have a quick chat. Before I put this, please remember that you just want a little water. You don't want too much. Yeah, I need the stock, so not too much, please. I'm just cooking small soup. Okay, I'm cooking small soup and vegetable sauce, so I don't need too much stock. So let me put this. Some people would steam before putting water. I do that for chicken, but for fish, I just feel like there's no need. Okay, quick chat before we continue our kitchen stuff. So all over the timeline, people are getting married and people are getting engaged, and if you're single, there is no how you come across. Twitter was on fire a couple of months back when it came to engagement, and it seems like this June a lot of people are getting married, and it is so easy to compare yourself with someone else. I can't lie, it has been happening recently to me as well, where I'm comparing, oh my god, am I not good enough? Have I not, just feel like you've done everything right, but what you're expecting is not coming to you. And I have like a classmate from secondary school. Um, she posted something where it seemed like she had been asking God for something. I don't know what that thing is, and the thing did not pull through. And she said she has given up. She no longer believes and everything. And I was having a conversation with somebody else, with that as well, with the thing that happened to my friend. I just realized that, there are times when we really want something, we yearn for something, we pray, we fast for something, and it's not forthcoming. And it just feels as if our faith is just waning, like our faith in God is waning, like we don't believe anymore. Anything that should happen. And I found myself in that situation as well. I found myself in a place where, like, I'm struggling with my faith. And yeah, it's not a good place to be. I believe that there is this thing that hope does. It helps you persevere. And even when things aren't going according to your plan, remember, at the end of the day, let God do with us as He wishes, right? We are in His hands. Um, but yeah, I would say for me, I'm trying to build my faith. Um, it's not in a good place right now. I can't lie. It's not in a good place, but I'm trying because I can see that, apart from the fact that I'm seeing that it's happening for other people, I believe it can happen for me, even though it is not happening right now. Um, so my approach to, just navigating this really sensitive area, or sensitive time, rather, this sensitive time in my life, is to stay happy and stay grateful. Stay happy, stay grateful, and just enjoy life. um that's what I would advise anybody going through, maybe anybody that is struggling with their faith. I think that's what I'll call it. If you're struggling with your faith, just stay happy and stay grateful, and just believe. I mean, like, in as much as my faith is like, oh my God, it may never happen for me after all this long, like, when you feel like you've done everything right and it's not just working for you, I think it's just so you just have to let go. um just let go and let God. That's what I would say. But yeah, I thought I want to come on here and say this. I don't know. I'm going to watch this again and I'll watch it and see if it makes any sense. But I hope you actually got the message. Let's go back to our cooking.
These are the sachet tomatoes I usually get. It's Gino, pepper, and onion. And then I used palm oil. For me, I would always say bleach your palm oil. I also mixed the palm oil with granola oil. And to just cut down the cook time, what I did was I fried the tomatoes with palm oil and granola oil and onions. I fried that in one pot. Okay, there is no need doing this one here and that one there. I fried it in one pot. The fish for the soup and vegetable stew, I fried in one pot as well. I really don't know what I was saying in this part of the video. Anyways, yeah, you can do this before, all right? So you don't want to be stressing yourself doing this when the oil is hot. So do this before. So yeah, this is how it looks. You have to fry it till it dries. You already know. If not, it's going to have that slapping sound. So here I divided the tomatoes for the stew, and then I had already mixed the egusi in that clip. Here I had crayfish. You have to add crayfish to the soup, but I also added crayfish to the stew as well because I'm making vegetable sauce. At this point, I'd already poured in the fish stock, and it was just boiling, as you can see. At the same time, no time to waste time, right? The egusi was cooking and then the vegetable sauce was cooking. By that time, I used that time to like wash the vegetables, and then I put it in. I put the vegetables into both the soup and the stew, and at this point the entire kitchen was scenting really nice. The aroma was just everything. This soup surprised me. I didn't expect the egusi to be a lot, right? I didn't expect it to be a lot, but yeah, it turned out really nice, guys. Here I have the stew and the soup.
Na garri I go dey swallow. I am tired. I'm about to teach, but yeah.